Bridgeport Easy Lock connectors feature a revolutionary Easy Lock design that enables your crew to get the job done faster with fewer steps, fewer tools, and fewer headaches. Let us show you how Bridgeport connectors simplify your installations. To begin, simply slide the cable through the connector and feed it through the knockout. Then, position the connector and snap it into place. The click tells you your connection is secure. Bridgeport's Easy Lock connectors are also compatible with MC/PCS cables, simplifying those power and control installations for LED and fluorescent dimming systems. Once all your wiring is connected, snap the connector into the knockout to complete the job. For larger jobs with multiple connections, Bridgeport connectors are ideal as they allow you to complete those repetitive installations quickly. Just guide the cables through the connectors, then snap the connectors into place. A job like this will only take a matter of minutes. If you need to remove a connector, no problem. Bridgeport's Easy Lock technology makes it simple. Holding the connector tightly at the top, use a screwdriver to press the connecting tab underneath. With the tab released, tilt the connector. Lift from the knockout, and you're done. To learn more about the advantages of using Bridgeport Easy Lock connectors, contact us today.